What's up guys and girls? So I've just been playing this game on Cool Maps called Duck Life and I was like, wait, I could add some sound effects to this. First let me show you the duck. Yeah. So I have this duck, call him Izzy, you know what I'm saying? It's fast as like, look at that. See, I trained it hard, you know what I'm saying? 70 levels of running, 73 levels of swimming, 135 levels of energy, and I have more money. I have 480. Let me buy some more energies, bro. You eat that? Yes, sir. Yeah, my duck coming thick. So this clip you're watching right here, somewhere, that's the original clip, and I'm just gonna remove all the audio and place my own sound effects and own music. I think it'll be fun, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, my duck's gonna win. Okay, now I drag the clip onto Ableton, so now I have this. So as you can see, first I'm thinking I'll add the BPM, so I get kind of the rhythm of the song, and then I can put in the instruments and that stuff. I think the BPM can follow the foot. 1, 2, look at the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can even. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a nice chord. What's this chord? Man, I'm struggling to be honest. I'm still a beginner, man. I'm just still trying. I'm just trying my best. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that sounds good, bro. The reason why I felt like a classical vibe, my character Izzy is wearing like Robin Hood outfit, like the medieval days. So I kind of want that feel. I don't know how I created it, but this piano had that like high pitched old school Mozart piano feel. Just added these chords, chopped them up like this, and then it ended up like this. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. We need a violin. We need a violin. This doesn't even match the video anymore. What am I doing? Okay, we just gotta full send it. What the hell is that? Sure that works. Okay, there we go. I think this is a masterpiece. All right, let's add ambience now, because you see how they're in the mud, they're in the water. That's kind of sick. We need a little sound that makes them like pop out. Oh, that's so sick. All right. I need to watch it one more time. Bro, we need the ground. We need ground noises. Now we need a slide effect. What is a slide? But we need drums. We need drums. So now I have the clip that I was working on Ableton. I'm gonna put it into Final Cut Pro. I'm just gonna finish with some sound effects and it should be completely done, and I can't wait to show you. So I'm adding this mud sound at the moment to give the slide a bit more like they're actually in mud. I'm thinking for the intro of it, we need some like noises for the buttons. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. I'm going to play the original clip and then I'm going to play the clip that we made. Roll it. And now it is time for the clip that we made. Thank you. I wouldn't be doing this without the support you guys give me. And let me know in the comments what you thought of the video as well as other video suggestions. Well, I'll see you soon.